My dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate today this 8th Sunday in Ordinary Time, and this is the last Sunday of Ordinary Time as we enter the holy season of Lent come Wednesday with the celebration of Ash Wednesday. At sa ating pagninilay, batiin po natin ang bawat isa ng isang mapagpalang umaga. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. To those of you who are into cooking, baking, or into kitchen stuff, you may have noticed, sana po ay nakapakinig kayo ng ating unang pagbasa, one symbol that Sirach used, and that is the sieve. Sa ngayon po, may mga sieves o bistay naman sa ibang lugar. But what we have as similar to a sieve are those strainers that we have. Sa mga nakakaluwag-luwag, ginagamit nyo po yan marahil pagka nagluluto kayo ng pancake. Kapag ka gustong mag-food trip ng mga kabataan, gagamitin yan sa pansit canton. Ginagamit natin yan pang sala para mahiwalay yung maliliit o yung mga puro sa mga malalaki, to separate the essential to what are the excess. And for those things to happen, we need to shake the sieve or the strainer. Kailangan alugin o itaktak para mawala yung tubig, para mawala yung mga excess, para makita mo kung ano lang dapat yung matira. Para matapos mataktak o masala, makita din natin yung pinakamaganda at yung pinakatotoo sa bagay na iyon. If there is one demand in following the Lord and in our daily life, it is always to show fruits, or shall we say, achievements. Mga natapos na trabaho, mga nagawa natin, goals natin, checklists natin, mga bagay na pinag-iigihan at pinagmamabuti natin. All of these are ways how we can show that we have done something, that we are all fruitful. And like a sieve, like the strainer, we have to face those moments where we are asked to be shaken. Kailangang maalog o makita tayo, o para makita ang ganda, yung kabutihan, yung kagandahan at yung kapuruhan. Kaya kinakailangan nating maalog o mataktak. We have to be shaken so that beauty can come out. Paano po kaya, marahil matatanong ninyo, paano o kailan tayo naaalog o natataktak? Maybe in times of emergencies, nayayanig tayo sa mga anong dapat gawin na natin. When unexpected or unplanned things are in front of us, ano kaya ang maibubuga o maibibigay po natin? When something or when we ourselves are being tested, our world is shaken. And when we are shaken, something beautiful may hopefully come out. Pero kung mayuyugyog o matataktak ba tayo sa buhay na ito, ano po kaya yung makikita ng Diyos at ng bawat isa sa atin? It is possible that the Lord may see something bad or extra that we need to take off. But also, we may see once more the beautiful things that is part of our lives. As what Jesus is telling us, if we want our splinters if we want these beams to be out of our eyes and in our lives, then be ready to be shaken. We have to be shaken so that we can be better. We have to be shaken so that we can also see the things we need to be improved about, or the needs or what needs to be corrected in our life. Kinakailangan po nating maalog kung minsan para makita po yung totoong kulay natin. Kailangang maitaktak tayo para makita yung pinakapuro at yung pinakamaganda sa puso at sa buhay natin. And such, my dear brothers and sisters, is the desire of the Lord for all of us. We have to be shaken for our improvement. When you feel that almost all the time, life has been shaky, o kung minsan ramdam natin yung natataktak, naaalog o nasasala tayo, baka parte lang naman po ng proseso iyan. Sinasala lang tayo, pinapalabas lang yung maganda sa atin, yung puro, yung mabuti, para magningning tayo at makita ang kagandahan din natin. We can also say with St. Paul that these moments of being shaken, being strained off, are moments that we are not in vain. This will be for our good. This will be for our growth. Now that we are days before Lent, we will be doing the best of all that we can to be good, to be kind, to be generous in one way or another. And maybe we continue to ask ourselves, do you want to be better? Do you want to be healed? Do you want to bear fruit? Do you want to be a good person? Do you want to share the goodness of your own heart? Do you want to give out of your own heart? Then, my dear friends, be ready to be shaken. Be ready to be a sieve or a strainer in the hand of God. And be ready to be shaken so that something good may come out. Humanda po tayong maalog o mataktak sa buhay na ito para makita ang pinakamaganda, makita yung pinakapuro, at makita yung pinakamabuti sa ating puso at sa ating buhay.